Let me ask you something. Do you really need 1 hour every day to improve your English? No. What if I told you that just 5 minutes a day can help you become more confident? Let's talk about it. Hi everyone. This is Puja. Welcome back to our English journey. Day 20. Zero to fluent English in 30 days. Many people say, I don't have time. But the truth is, most of us can find 5 minutes. 5 minutes before breakfast. 5 minutes before sleeping. 5 minutes while walking. Small habits create big results. Here is a simple routine you can try. Minute 1. Look around and name 5 things in English. Door, phone, table, bottle, window. Minute 2. Speak 3 simple sentences. I am learning English. Today is a good day. I will practice daily. Minute 3. Read one short English paragraph. Slowly, clearly, no pressure. Minute 4. Speak about your day. Example. Today I woke up early. I made breakfast. I watched a video. Minute 5. Say one positive sentence. I am improving every day. Many learners quit because they try to do too much. Don't try to learn everything today. Just improve a little every day. That is how confidence grows. Say this with me. I can learn English. I can improve. I will practice daily. I will not give up. For the next 24 hours, spend just 5 minutes practicing English. Not 1 hour, just 5 minutes and see how you feel. Comment below 5 minutes done. Tomorrow we will learn 10 daily English sentences you can use at home. Remember, you don't need perfect English. You only need consistent practice. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.